Hey everybody, it's Dale from Gamehubs, and today we're going to be checking out Acer's latest innovation, the ultimate gaming chair, the Predator Thronos. Here's a quick hands-on review of it. That's right, the game chair encapsulates you. It just surrounds you with all this gaming goodness. And when was the last time you were encapsulated in this sort of thing? Oh, here it is in first person, check it out. Keyboard slides in, and from the top here comes the monitors. Alright, so yes, with the Predator Thronos you are pampered by all the latest advancements in gaming. As you can see, you're surrounded by 3 gaming monitors. You're on a comfy chair with haptic feedback from your games, and everything else a gamer could hope for, really. Now, not only does it look amazing, it looks like it's straight out of the future, but check it out, it's also powered by the Predator Orion 9000 desktop, which itself is already a powerhouse on its own. On the armrest, there's a control panel that allows you to adjust the Thronos to your liking. So, from things like monitor position, how far the chair reclines, it's all there, right at the tip of your fingers to adjust to your liking. You can even recline up to 150 degrees, just all the way back. Just reach for the skies. On the right, there's 4 USB ports, so you can put in all your favorite gaming keyboards and whatnot, as well as cup holders, so that's perfect for holding your drinks, or even, heck, even a snack like cup noodles, or just a nice place to rest your phone in. So the unit we tried out was equipped with the Predator Cestus gaming mouse, along with the Predator Galea headset, as well as the Predator Aton keyboard. So, after all this, what do we think of the Predator Thronos? Well, needless to say, the Predator Thronos is truly a marvel and a beast all on its own. It really is for the gamer that goes above and beyond when it comes to playing games seriously. We tried it out with Project Cars too, but I'm sure it'll be great with all sorts of games, from Overwatch to PUBG to Fortnite. It's the perfect gaming rig, honestly. So if you're looking for the ultimate immersive experience, look no further than the Predator Thronos. Right now in Malaysia, there's only 2 exclusive units being sold by Acer, and they retail for 56,999. You can try the chair out right now if you're going to the KL Major Dota 2 tournament. Acer has a booth there that everybody can try out, so go check it out and see what luxury really is. For Gamehubs, I'm Dale, and special thanks to Acer for letting us try out this unit. It's truly a beast, and I can't imagine a more perfect way to play video games. Again, I'm Dale, and I'll catch you guys next time.